Hello and welcome back to another episode of Market Scientist TV. Today we'll be continuing the continuation saga of continuation patterns. We'll be discussing the ascending triangle. I'm leaving the descending triangle out because I've traded it and I've not found it useful. So that is out. You can always Google it, and once you know the ascending, you also know the descending because it's actually just the reverse. So what does the ascending triangle look like? Well, first, it's a triangle, so it needs to have a slope up. As you can see here, the ascending triangle has a flat top, meaning multiple times the market tried to break that top and couldn't. Hence, we have a resistance line. Also, we have a slanting trend line moving upwards, or a rising trend line moving upwards, giving us the bullishness pattern. So this is what a ascending triangle looks like. We expect it to break out. And remember, all continuation patterns, like in the ones discussed before, need to have a context of trend. So this one will break out if we had a previous uptrend. So these will form within uptrends. Now that we know what it looks like, I need to tell you two things that I've learned from the ascending triangle. The ascending triangle is a little tricky pattern because, as we saw here, you would almost never get that perfect of a pattern. You would get a pattern which would break out several times, have low volumes, have spiky bars, which is a problem. So what you should do is you should wait for the pattern to break out, close above our resistance line, and then buy that bar high, because you could get stuck in a whipsaw if you try to buy every swing high when you're trading this pattern. This is obviously not valid for the previous patterns. This is only exclusive for the ascending triangle. We'll be jumping straight into where to buy and sell so you can learn to identify and trade them. I have examples of Yes Bank and some other stocks. So see you in the next episode.